Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension from your body. Begin by bringing to mind a situation where you felt hurt or wronged. Acknowledge the pain, and as you breathe in, imagine breathing in compassion and understanding. As you exhale, allow yourself to release any anger or resentment, creating space for healing. Now, think of the person involved in this situation, including yourself if necessary. With each breath, silently repeat, "I forgive you and I release this burden from my heart." Feel the weight lifting as you let go of the negative emotions, making room for peace and acceptance. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or condoning the actions. It means freeing yourself from the grip of negative emotions. As you continue to breathe, focus on the feeling of lightness and freedom that forgiveness brings. Take another deep breath in, filling yourself with peace and compassion. As you exhale, release any remaining tension or negativity, knowing that you are allowing yourself to heal and move forward.